Welcome to An Thuong and welcome to a beach update. It is blue sky after it rained yesterday, and let's see if the beach is all okay because it rained for 2-3 hours. I think it is a very nice air today out there. It's a nice breeze coming out in through. I'm walking with my wife and she already said, "You men are so weird." As I saw a fellow Aussie and I was like, "Good day, mate." And she was like, "Oh, when women say hello, we would never say it like that," and walk by. Yeah, women are not as polite as men, that's what I say. Look at this beautiful car. Are you ready? If I get a car like this, you will still be my passenger princess?
She has ears.
What do you think about if I drive a car like this?
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. It's gonna be a family car. No, actually, I want to have those kind of vans.
Yeah. The doors slide.
Yes. And I don't want to drive. Oh wow, the beach looks perfect today. We are right here at the Yarra Ocean Suites Hotel. I also did a hotel review of all those 11 hotels, beachfront hotels in the Mian beach area. So don't forget to check that out in the link in the description. I did a whole walk, every single hotel, 11 in a row, until the Nesta Hotel. All right, let's go. So if you cross the street, raise your hands so the guy knows you are walking. Yeah, that looks pretty nasty here. I think because it rained yesterday night, this here got used again. Or I'm not sure what exactly happening here, because where is this water coming from? So usually when it rains too much, these pipes go out to the ocean. But somehow there's a little lake now here. A naughty lake. Not sure what they're doing. So what on earth is happening here? Why are there pipes? Huh? So that's the water from the ocean. Okay, the ocean water comes here, and yeah, not sure what these pipes are for. Maybe the pipes are, yeah, I hope nothing naughty. They're fishes? All right. Small little fishes over there. Yeah. As you can see here, this is in use, especially in the rainy season. Yeah. Someone is taking a leak there again. So here, actually, look at this beautiful white beach. And this doesn't look that nasty at all, but the sand has to get, something happened with the sand here. I don't know why those pipes are out. They should not be out. So I think they're gonna fix that, because there's also like a mountain, a sand mountain over here. Yeah. Huh. Ma'am, we have to walk. It's not a joke here, okay? It looks pretty good. It looks actually amazing. Also, it's very clear. I think the rain yesterday cleared up the sky. You can see Sunshine Mountain is very clear. Yeah, looks very nice and fresh. I don't know why she wants to walk on the beach now. Yeah. The beach club from the Holiday Beach looks pretty nice now. It's not really a beach club, just I think 2 times of the week they have some kind of a DJ there. But they also have a pool right there hidden behind that, which is actually in shade. I can definitely recommend it. If it's too hot, go over there. Nice pool in shade. Ah, it's great. Let's go back to the boardwalk here. Why you want to walk here in the middle of nothing? You gotta learn so much, young lady. Huh? Why you want to walk in the middle of this?
Wow.
Whew.
My mom said you have to wear hats.
Oh yeah, it's true. I definitely have to wear my hat again. Especially in this time of the day. It's very hot. Whew. Definitely don't spend too much time out there. Especially not this time of the day. But I think it looks very nice, the image. That's why I'm walking. Also, I just had lunch, so a good little walk after that is ready. Oh, look at this. They have a hammock now there. Looks very romantic now here. Huh? Lots of people making photos here. I think this is a new photo hotspot here.
Love corner.
Love corner, okay. Ah, look at this. They have a live band. So every night from June 27, between 7 and 9:30, they have something going on. And buy one, get one free. But no pets allowed, guys, even though we're outside. Because it's the beach. You know, at the beach, you cannot have pets. Look at this, the English and the Aussies walking there. A romantic noontime walk. Yeah, the water looks phenomenal. Yeah. I should go more often to the water. I don't know what those pigeons do here. Huh? The big.
The brown.
Yeah. You think they would taste good, maybe? They look like my city, from my small city where I'm from. They look like normal pigeons here, this one. I thought they would look different on the beach. But I don't know. Look at the white one. What are... So here a beach bed is 40,000 dong. And you can check out the beer prices. You always ask me for the beer prices. Hello! Where are the beer prices? Beer price?
Beer.
How much?
One?
No, I just want to know.
Okay.
No. I want to know how much is the price?
Same, 40.
40,000 dong. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. So 40,000 dong, the same as the bed. But I think it was, one was 30 before, if I'm not wrong. But now it's like all 40,000 dong.
One hack.
Huh?
One hack. There are plenty of marts over there.
Yeah, exactly.
Just get some beers.
And bring it yourself.
Bring it with you, get a chair and then...
Yeah. So you can actually, on the way to the beach, there's a Wind Mart. And the Wind Mart, actually the beer costs 12,000 dong. But you have to go to the beach and start drinking. Because they're gonna be hot very quick. So get a cool beer. The first one you can take from outside. And then depends how long you want to stay here. The beautiful thing about here as well is they have trash cans right there, because then there's no need to litter. I mean, you should not do that at all, but you don't have to walk all the way to the street. But even that, it's like every 50 meters is a trash can. That's what you also see. The only ugly thing is this here, cigarette butts. Yeah. You can see here the TMS hotel. There's a big plot of land still available in between. I'm wondering when they will do something with it. Because this is also premium land. They made this a little bit more nice now. The walk between the toilets and the Maya is now a little bit more accessible to walk. The Maya Beach Bar, also open in the morning already. Some kind of events are there all the time now. Not sure what that means. Le Cabanon. That's, I think, the French restaurant in Sontra, in this one hotel. Looks very good. I've never been there, but it looks good. All right, guys. So if you just if you look at the weather forecast and it rains every day, this is how it looks every day. It can rain at some point, but usually at the beach it's not that bad. And you see it here on my channel all the time. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like this video. I'm working for you, so you don't have to. And you will see always what's going on here around Asia, but mainly in Da Nang. This is also, they changed that a lot. They have so much more seats now. Because also the beach is a little bit wider now. Oh, very nice. I'm gonna grab my wife, take her home. She needs her nap. If you have a Vietnamese wife, you will know they need their naps every day, else you're gonna get a flip-flop onto your head. Be cautious about that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video and see you in the next one.